The alligators at Wild Florida Animal Safari range in size from 1 foot up to several feet and several hundred pounds.
Behavior, only reward the behavior I want to see. So you got irritated with me. Ooh, we got Jeremiah. He usually does not come for the training, but he's really good at it. Up.
And here you'll see a pretty nice sized alligator that didn't want to have anything to do with us or our boat. As you move along, these captains strategically know where these gators hang out at. So they slow down, speed up until you can see one.